guys, it's me, Sherry, and I thought I'd pop on here and share an outfit of the day with you all. And I guess first I'll get started with my makeup. On my eyes today, it's just a bunch of dark chocolate browns from the Chocolate Bar palette, and above the crease is just a warm brown as well. And then on my cheeks I'm wearing Memorable by Tarte, and it's this one, and I remember wearing this a lot last year, forgot about it, and just reintroduced it into my makeup, and I'm wearing that today on my cheeks, and I really love it. And then on my lips today I am wearing a Wet n Wild. It's also an oldie but a goodie in 901B, and it's just this pretty little pink, and I'm almost out of it. I can't turn it up any more than that, but that's what's on my lips today. And that's it for makeup. And my outfit is definitely focused around the skirt from Boston Proper, and I was really tempted to want to throw on a jean shirt and put some turquoise on and some cowboy boots, but then I would look like I was going to a costume party as a cowgirl. So it was just so tempting, and I really had to hold back, and really I wanted to class up the whole skirt, and I think that's what I did. So I'm wearing my Rockstud Valentino leopard shoes, and this blouse is an oldie from Express, and the jewelry, I just added a really simple, delicate necklace I got years ago from QVC, and then my new watch and a bunch of Alex and Ani bracelets, and then this bangle is an oldie from QVC as well. And I also, to class it up, I added my Chanel caviar leather handbag, and I guess that's it. So this is kind of the look. Oh, and this little belt I got from J. Crew a couple years ago as well. So that's kind of the look. And then for my jacket, I'm just going to wear this vest with it, and I'll show you how that looks. So, and I'll just take pictures of this and post them on my blog. Hopefully I can do this. And so you guys get an idea of how everything looks. So hopefully this looks good. And that's it. So that's my whole look. I hope you guys liked it. And thumbs up if you do. Subscribe if you haven't. And I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.